Hello everyone, how are you doing? This is MD Tech here with another quick tutorial. In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you guys how to go about turning on push notifications on Instagram if you previously paused them. So this should hopefully be a pretty straightforward process here, guys. And without further ado, let's go ahead and jump right into it. So all you have to do is open up Instagram and select your profile icon in the bottom right corner to launch your profile page. Then you want to select the hamburger icon in the top right and go down and select where it says notifications. There should be a little bell icon next to it. Select that. And then if currently underneath push notifications, it's pause, you can toggle it to left to disable the pause. And you can also go underneath sleep mode here. If you want to turn off sleep mode, perhaps that's partially why you're receiving the lack of push notifications. So you might want to disable that. You can also go underneath individual notifications down here if you want to turn them on or off. And that's pretty much it. So as always, thank you guys for watching this brief tutorial. I do hope that I was able to help you out, and I do look forward to catching you all in the next tutorial. Goodbye.